How to make passive income with a blog, starting from zero. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how a blog makes money, the 5 steps to build it, and how long it realistically takes to see results. Let's start with what passive income from a blog actually looks like. There are 3 ways a blog makes money. Affiliate marketing, you recommend a tool, someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. Digital products, you create something once and sell it over and over. And your email list, traffic you own that no algorithm can take away. When these 3 work together, a single post can generate income every week while you sleep. Step 1, pick a niche that has buyers. The rule is simple. Your niche needs to have problems people pay to solve. Strong options include personal finance, making money online, and health and fitness. Ask yourself, are there affiliate programs in this niche? Are people already buying digital products here? If yes to both, you have a viable niche. Pick it and move on. Overthinking the niche is how people spend 3 months researching instead of publishing. Step 2, set up your blog. You have 2 real options. WordPress self-hosted gives you full control and the best SEO foundation. Systeme.io has a free plan that includes a blog, email list, and the ability to sell products, all at 0 monthly cost. Either way, set up a clean theme, an about page, a contact page, and an email opt-in form. Don't spend weeks on the design. A plain blog with good content always wins. Step 3, write content that attracts the right traffic. The way to get buyers to your blog is by targeting search intent, writing posts that answer what people are actively typing into Google. Use autocomplete suggestions and the people also ask section to find topics. For your first 5 posts, aim for 2 or 3 how-to posts, 1 personal story, and 1 comparison post. Short paragraphs, clear headers, real examples, no jargon. Step 4, build your email list from day 1. This is the step most beginners skip, and it costs them the most. Google can change its algorithm tomorrow and cut your traffic in half. Your email list stays yours. Start collecting emails even when you have 10 readers a day. A simple lead magnet, a free PDF, a checklist, or a short email course is enough. 500 email subscribers will outperform 10,000 Instagram followers for actual sales every single time. Step 5, add income streams. Affiliate marketing is the fastest path to your first dollar. Look for programs that pay 20 to 50% recurring commissions. That means 1 referral can pay you every month. Digital products are where the real leverage is. A $27 guide that sells twice a day is $1,600 a month in passive income. You created it 1 weekend. Start with 1 affiliate partnership and 1 simple product. Build the engine first, then add fuel. So how long does this actually take? Months 1 through 3, you're building. Traffic is low, income is near 0. That's normal. Months 4 through 6, your posts start getting indexed, traffic grows, and you might see your first commissions. Months 6 through 12, things start compounding. Your email list is growing, income becomes more predictable. Year 2 and beyond, the posts you wrote in month 2 are still bringing in traffic. That's what passive income actually feels like. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't writing bad content or picking the wrong niche. It's waiting until everything is perfect before publishing. I've seen people spend months choosing a blog name, then weeks picking a theme, then more weeks rewriting a first post that never goes live. During all that time, Google indexes nothing. The list doesn't grow. Income is zero. You will improve by publishing. You will not improve by planning to publish. Set a deadline. Your first post goes live this week. If you want to build the complete system, blog, email lists, digital products, and passive income streams, I put everything into a step-by-step course called The Playbook. It's built for beginners who want to do this anonymously, with no face on camera, no existing audience, and no budget to start. Every module covers exactly one part of the system in the order you need to build it. Check it out at wealthdiagram.com. Let's recap the 5 steps. 1. Pick a niche with buyers. 2. Set up your blog using WordPress or Systeme.io. 3. Write SEO content that targets search intent. 4. Build your email list from day 1. 5. Add affiliate links and one digital product. That's the whole system. It's not complicated. It's just consistent. Start today, not next week, not when you feel ready. The best time to start was 6 months ago. The second best time is right now. Subscribe to Wealth Diagram for weekly videos on blogging, digital products, and building passive income from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.